So I'm supposed to be meeting up with our buddy Andrew Peachy. You guys know him, 2-valve, was the ruby red one, long time ago. And you know, we had plans today to meet up and to check out some cars and yada yada, but homie isn't being really a you know, buddy. He's ignoring me, so we're gonna call him and put him on blast.
What's up, dude?
Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
You alright?
Are you alright? Huh?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm just peachy, man.
Are we hanging out?
If you want to. We
Oh.
have to go buy a tool at Harbor Freight. We're still doing Ramsey's X-Pipe.
Oh, Harbor Freight Tools, huh? Is that what we're doing now?
Hi.
What are you talking on? A microwave?
A toaster. I'm calling you on my toaster.
I believe it. All right, well, yeah, I'm gonna head on my way. Funny how he answers a call, huh? Check on your friends, boys. They be doing some sly shit. And a nice S2K. Oh, I want that vent so bad. Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Hope everybody's having an awesome day, a blessed day. And yeah, let's get into today's video. We are on our way to our boy Andrew Peachy's house, as you heard from the phone call in the beginning of this clip. Haven't seen my man in a while. You know, he's a family man now. He's a father. Congratulations, Andrew and Tori, on little Wesley. I know he's going to be a car addict like you. You know, I say addict because the title and thumbnail of this video, this man has yet again gotten another new Mustang, and it's actually because of one of you guys. One of my subscribers somehow bullied Andrew into getting this new car, and I'm going to let him explain the story because I nearly died when he told me. It was quite funny. But that's where we're heading now. We're going to meet up with Andrew and Ramsey. You guys have met Ramsey as well. He used to have a black S197 Mustang Week 2017 maybe. I think I still had blue 2-valve at the time. And I can't remember, was it Mustang 2018? I don't know. But yeah, you guys have seen Ramsey before. And you know, he got a new car as well, another Mustang. And I think it's just going to be like a Gen 3 type of party today. And I haven't seen his new house or anything, so looking forward to it. And I know they're actually working on Ramsey's car today as well. So they should be buttoning up, they should be buttoning up the little modification they're doing to Ramsey's car. So if that's the case, oh, I'm on skinnies, tight turn. Oh, that was scary. But yeah, I'm gonna shut my mouth and pay attention. Do me the biggest favor, guys. Drop a like up on this video. Drop a comment. Say what's up. Roast me. Seems to be the thing that's going around lately, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm on an all-time high right now. My name's just getting out there, baby, and we're winning. So drop a like, drop a comment, and you know, watch this video in its full entirety. But we are rolling up to Mr. Peachy's house now. And would you just take a look at this view? And what do we have there and there? Let's go take a look. Put my manual shifter in neutral. Can't really take a look at this yet. Don't look, don't look, don't look. I can just point the camera away, yeah. Holy moly, make me ravioli. What do we have going on here? Wow.
We're doing bolt-ons.
What in the hell?
Yeah. Pay no attention to the angle grinder.
What is going I just hear, yeah. I thought this was a bolt-on installation. What is happening? I see a catback here.
Porcelain.
And I see a mid-pipe, double helix.
On tubes right there.
Trying to be loud, huh?
No.
What?
No.
That?
Yes. Last time I was on your video, I had 2 cars.
I told him a kid, like, it's been a while, dude. I know.
I got one coming.
I know, yeah, congrats on that.
Thank
and
you.
The marriage.
Thank you.
Yeah, y'all are all grown, dude.
Yeah,
I mean, I think we're all growing. That's scary.
Derek's on the way.
I am, dude. I'm next.
Yeah?
I'm next, yeah.
This, I got gypped. I got gypped.
I got gypped. What happened?
We're making things that weren't meant to go together.
Oh, yeah? That's usually how the Mustang world works.
Yeah, this is when you buy used off Facebook.
Oh, dude, I've learned my lesson so many times buying used shit, honestly.
We had to make some relief cuts in the stock X pipe because I'm not sure how this guy got these. You can see it where he got it down here.
Oh, I see what y'all did.
But yeah, we figured we put relief cuts down here just like down there, and the other one. Hopefully it'll slide on.
You gonna throw a clamp on this and kind of hope to? It should work.
We're gonna hammer this. We're gonna hammer this down and get it nice. And
okay. Yeah, that should work. That should work.
Yeah, I mean, it's a Harbor Freight.
These are the only two that'd be grinding metal with flip flops on.
I had safety glasses on.
We're here to capture the moment. Drills a hole in his floor. We're gonna update you periodically. Yeah, we're gonna come back later, but we also have to, you know, have Ramsey explain what the hell he has here, and then Andrew, you guys just saw, I kind of blocked it out, but matter of fact.
What's up?
how's your Mustang going?
You like my Camry?
How's your Mustang going?
I'll race you. Oh, you don't have your Camry anymore, do you? What do you?
I still have my Mustang, Dane.
Oh yeah. Well,
you still have your Mustang?
No, I don't.
Oh, interesting.
I want to get one of these at some point.
His Camry.
What, the Gen 3s?
Maybe not a 10R80, but yeah.
Okay. Is yours 10R80? Yeah. Loving it, don't you?
I told myself I'd never drive it on.
It's amazing, dude. I tell these boys, just tell them. It's something about it. It's just
It's weird.
It's so good.
It's weird.
Yeah.
So good. Look at that angle. That angle's fire, dude.
Shit.
You got it, Bob. His arms. What are you polishing it? Oh, dude, you cut the wrong lines. They put these little converters on just to kind of step down, and they with clamps and money. Just give you a little update of what we're working with. We're trying to get a 2 1/4 diameter on top of a 2 1/4 diameter stock header or manifold extensions, whatever. And you know, we're trying to get Ramsey home because he lives like what, an hour and some change?
2.5.
So,
2.5.
3 hours away, and his exhaust is currently not installed. So yeah, we're gonna try to make it work, but that's what we're doing right now. We got grinders out, we got expanders out, and
obviously we're not gonna keep it this way. This is just to get him home. This is 2 1/4 inch pipe, and we're trying to make it 2.5. And yeah, not working very well.
Ramsey, how'd that go? Did it fit on?
It fits on enough to where I can get a clamp on it.
So Andrew, I see you got yourself into another predicament here.
I did, man.
What the hell is this?
My 4th Mustang. 4th and hopefully
Fourth and fastest.
4th and fastest.
So tell us a little bit about it. I know it's a Gen 3. Looks damn good.
Gen 3 Coyote. Manual transmission. Performance pack level 2. So it's got the 305s all around, the Magna Ride. And then it has one extra little goodie that makes this the fastest Mustang I've ever owned. It's Roush supercharged and makes 750 to the crank, probably about like 660 wheel. And it's awesome.
Hell yeah. Looks good, man. I'm glad you joined the Gen 3 life. You're not quite on board though, because you don't have the 10 speed. Tell them.
It's fine. It's fine. I was the original Gen 3 life.
Well, oh yeah. So we're gonna hop in Andrew's car. I love the cloth Recaros.
That's okay.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, this is definitely a sauna.
Oh, you want to move the sun shield too? Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Oh. Okay. All right, we're back here.
Oh, that's true too. Let's do that.
Whew. You got some room.
Good?
Yep, we're good.
Don't ever work on your own cars when you don't know what you bought. I will never use Facebook Marketplace again.
We've all been there, guys.
I've had good luck with it.
It happens. Car sounds good.
Yeah. That's what it sounds like when you do a resonator delete the right way.
Oh.
Yikes.
Dang, what was that jab for?
Fire.
Jeez. Hell yeah, this EcoBoost is quick. Damn, brother. All right, Ramsey's just gonna start it real quick. Open header.